Hey guys, so hopefully this video is going to help you guys learn how to use the customized search that I made. So for you guys, this link is going to be in our Schoology course and how to use that. So when you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. Then what I want you to know is what it is I've created all of these websites that I think are great resources. And this customized search is only going to search those resources to find quality things. So if you just go to Google and you type in something random, you know, CPCTC, right? Congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Instead of like, you kind of get a big conglomerate in there. But if you search within CPCTC, if you search within my customizable search engine, you'll be able to actually find some really quality videos from great places that I think are wonderful resources for you. So this is how to use my customizable search engine effectively.